is the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Cryptomia Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So let's get right into it. I did want to point out that they did put out a tweet yesterday of showing Dogelon Mars coins burning. So that is pretty bullish in my opinion. I don't know if that has anything to do with Rufus or whether they're just going to burn coins or what's going to happen, but it was a cryptic message, so stand by and we'll see what it means. Outside of that, let's just look at the targets again. That's the best we can do. Sometimes I get new viewers, so we gotta just all be on the same page. So we were close to extremely oversold, but we didn't really hit it. We had a nice little bounce, which is exactly why you want to buy when it's in the when it's down here and not when it's up here. Like I said last time, we are in a bull run, so we're gonna make higher highs and we're gonna make higher lows. Okay, so as you can see, I hate that. As you can see, I just yeah, obviously you can see. So we're making higher lows, and over here we are making higher highs. So my prediction is that the next time this runs, my price target is either gonna be it's going to have to be higher than this, okay, than the previous peak. Because again, we're in a bull run, right? So the next time this thing goes up, we're probably going to hit either the 0.5 or we're going to draw a monster candle to the 618. So that's huge, because if that can happen, and if you know, we're going to make a higher high, and when we come back down, hopefully we stay above the 382 and maintain this uptrend and this higher low. So that's really bullish in my opinion. The only way that that's not bullish is that if this thing comes all the way in the green and we don't make a higher high. I don't know how long this is going to take, but that's when we're going to see if Dogelon Mars is extremely bullish or not, is when this does come back up. So areas, so obviously resistance is 2046, which we're actually sitting on right now, and then the 382, which is 3348. The next resistance is going to be that 0.5 and the 618 at around 605 and 607. So just keep that in mind. Areas of support. I wish it was like an easier way just to clear everything, but click it. Click. It's okay. It'll help me get my watch hours. So from the low to the high, you can see that we are also on the support at the night. So we tagged from the 618. We use the 382 as resistance, and now we're coming back down and using the 0.5 as support. So if we go back up, you know, we could hit 29. We could still hit 29.19 and then fall off the table if we don't stay above 23 at that point. We really want to keep this uptrend going, right? So I'll take this slow moves up, this slow resistance, and then once this happens, most likely we're going to break out. And we're looking at anywhere, you know, I don't know how long it's going to take, but it might be late this year, or I don't really know, because realistically, with good news and with listings and everything like that, this thing can just absolutely go bullish and monster run. So I really don't know. So let's look at the Ether scan just to see if we're seeing anything. So the circulation supply is 110 million. The on-chain market cap is 200 million, but the thing is that they locked up 50% of the coins in a liquidity pool, and then the other 50% was given to Vitalik Buterin, who then gave it to Methuselah Foundation, and then Methuselah Foundation sold their coins to not all of it, because you could see that they still have wallets. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe they're working on something on the back end where it's like you can't sell these for X amount of time, or just keep them for now and then or like maybe this is what they're gonna burn, right? That would be crazy bullish. But anyway, so they sold the majority of the coins to private investors, and you can see that they were like transferred over to this wallet. That's 179 trillion. And then is this one of them? No. Well, actually, it does look like it is. So that's another 80 trillion. and then so that's like 100 and yeah, so that's 160, and then yeah, I don't know. I mean, if you just click on every single one of these wallets, no, that's, I don't know what that is. But anyway, so they still have some of their coins, but again, I don't know how that works because it's all 7 trillion. So it's around 49 trillion. It's actually exactly 49 trillion. So maybe they worked it out in the deal, or they're going to buy it later, or whatever the case. I really don't know their deal. But the majority of coins that Methuselah sold to this private group of investors was transferred over to them, which is also extremely bullish, right? Say I'm like, you know, I have millions and millions of dollars. I'm like, hey, I really like Dogelon Mars. Hey, Methuselah Foundation, like, I'll give you $10 million, $20 million, or whatever throughout the course. Here, I'll make payments like every single year. Give me the coins so I can at least work on the project and grow the community, because we have 151,000 holders. We have 6 million people on Twitter and all this stuff, right? And Methuselah's like, great, I don't have to worry about it. I can just work on my research, and I don't even have to get into this cryptocurrency space. So am I buying these coins thinking that I'm going to fail, or am I buying these coins being a smart business person and actually having a plan and a fade, you know, and basically a plan? Yeah, I mean, that's really it, to build this out. So I'm not going to just spend 10, $20 million, whatever, however much I did, to let this project fail. So you have to see the bigger picture. That's huge. So yeah, I mean, right now, if you're looking at like short term, the price sucks, right? We came up, we came back down, everyone's yelling, blah, blah, blah. But if you're like a long-term investor and you're like, oh, hey, look, like let's look at the history behind Dogelon Mars. Okay, so I like the way that it was created. I like that Vitalik sent it to this Methuselah Foundation, and then a group of investors bought it, and then they're working on it. They're burning coins. They're coming out with Rufus chain. Oh, but the price isn't reflected. Blah 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 blah. But like, of course, it's not gonna reflect, right? Like, it's gonna take time. Like, this isn't a pump and dump. We've been here for 3 years. Okay, so like, we've been here for 3 years. If this was a pump and dump, then this would have gone to zero, right? This is a meme coin. Okay, so I don't know. I just think I really can't explain it, but like, just, and it's, none of this is financial advice. Go ahead and sell, you know. If you guys don't want Dogelon Mars, then get out of it, because that's exactly what happened here when somebody sold 400,000. Someone sold like 400,000 here, and it got bought back up, and that guy's out, and we don't have to worry about that guy selling anymore. The problem is that you have these people that are in here for 3 years that are bored now, and they're like, oh, well, like, the price isn't doing anything. I'm just gonna get out. But now is the time to be bullish, because not only are we in a bull run, they're coming out with Rufus chain. All this stuff's happening on the back end, and yeah, I mean, Crypto.com is holding like all these coins, like, you know, 50% of the total circulation supply. Binance named wallet is holding 13 trillion, and I know people are going to be like, oh my god, like, this, you guys have no idea what this is, and just we're just going to have to agree to disagree. All I'm saying is that Binance's peg token wallet, this wallet named Binance, is holding 13 trillion, and to me, that's really bullish. I don't care what it's for. I don't care what everybody tells me it's for. It's really bullish. And it's like seeing a Coinbase wallet or whatever, you know, like, if I saw all of a sudden Coinbase wallet, I'm like, hey, I don't even care what that's for, but there's a Coinbase named wallet that's holding this much, this many coins. So, and Binance Peg Token wallet, right? It only has in transactions. For example, like, if you look at some other coins, like OXC, and the reason why I know this is because this is a coin that I absolutely got wrecked in, and I'm just like hodling to the moon. But look, is there a Binance Peg? Okay, well, there was a Binance Peg token wallet. I guess now they're just like Binance wallets, right? Let me see. Yeah, so now they're just Binance wallets, so you know what, never mind. I was hoping to show like other coins that also have Binance Peg token wallet, but I guess maybe we could just click the Binance Peg token wallet and then kind of see. See what else is in there. So Tether, Shiba. It has Shiba Inu. It has around. Okay, it doesn't have that much Shiba Inu. Yeah, there we go. This is the right one. So this has $1.8 trillion worth of USDT, $543 million worth of USDC. Look at this. So look, guys, this is the Binance Peg token wallet, right? It has this like Chainlink, Matic, Uniswap, Constitution, Aave. Let's go to the next page. Page 2, whatever. We're not on here. Jasmine has 7.3 million. Next page. Next page. We're on page 4, right? Yeah, so we're on page 4. We have $2.6 million. And then I also did my like research. Like I did look at a lot of these coins, and a lot of these coins are listed on Gemini. So you just have to do your research. You have to kind of like make a connection and make an educated guess, right? Bats on Binance, Decentraland's on Binance, Compound's on Binance. So there's like a lot of these coins on Binance, and look, and all of a sudden there's just like this one standing out, like right, like $2.6 million, whatever. Oh, but it's used for this, but it's used for this. Yeah, but like, why are we focused on that? Let's kind of like shift the focus. Like, are you with me? Like, are you in hopes of Binance trying to list it, or are you just like a negative person that's like trying to put people down? By the way, those all get blocked from my channel, so like nothing but positivity here. You can unsubscribe. I really don't care. This is like literally our hopes. Nothing's for sure. We're just all trying to make it. We're all in the same boat, right? Literally, we're all in the same boat, guys. We're all trying to make it. That's why we're all invested in Dogelon Mars. Like that's why we're investing in these meme coins, because we don't have that much capital to invest into Bitcoin or these blue chips. Maybe one day we will, but we're all in the same boat. So that's the last thing I want to hear is just like people saying that Dogecoin isn't going to be 74 cents for it to all of a sudden actually hit it, right? And it's like, man, those people really have no idea what they're talking about. Anyway, words of it, food for thought, like I always say, and we'll just keep hodling. I'll just keep hodling, and hopefully there's some words of encouragement for anybody that's like, oh man, this is boring. Of course it's going to be boring. Just wait until the good news comes out, and then we're just going to get a God candle. And yeah, that's it. Areas of support, areas of resistance, and just basically me rambling for 5-10 minutes. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your guys' support. You guys are awesome. We're gonna make this. We're gonna make it. There's a lot of liquidity. There's just like a lot of good stuff coming for Dogelon Mars. Look at that, 2021. It's a sign, right? Because 2021 was the last time that we all went up. Was it? Or was it 2020? I don't remember. It was 2021, I think. Anyway, please like. Ooh. Maybe 2024. This is going to be our year. Come on, Doge. Oh, man. All right. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your guys' support, and I will catch you guys in the next video.